Hello everyone, how are you? Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Broad Knowledge. So now I am discuss about the top 10 attack helicopters in the world. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for watching updates related to technology and army weapons. More likely I also upload videos related to nuclear submarines and top 10 attack aircraft and aircraft carriers, anti-tank missiles and tanks. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for watching our new updates. Let's begin the countdown number 10. Z-10 China top speed 300 km per hour, range 820 km, unit cost $17 million. Wingspan 13 meter, weight 5540 kg, engine type turboshaft, number build 260 plus. The CAIC-Z10, also called WZ-10, is an attack helicopter developed by the People's Republic of China. It is designed primarily for the anti-tank warfare mission, but has secondary air-to-air capability as well. It was co-designed by Kamov Design Bureau of Russia under a contract with the Chinese government. Countdown number 9. Mi-24 Hind Russia, top speed 335 km per hour, range 450 km, unit cost $12 million. Wingspan 6.5 meter, weight 8,500 kg. Engine type turboshaft, number build 2648. The MIL Mi-24 is a large helicopter gunship, attack helicopter and low-capacity troops transport with room for 8 passengers. It is produced by MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant. Has been operated since 1972 by a Soviet Air Force and its successor along with more than 30 other nations. Countdown number 8. AH-2 Revok, South Africa. Top speed 309 km per hour. Range 740 km. Unit cost $40 million. Wingspan 15.58 meter. Weight 5,730 kg. Engine type Turbomeca Makila. Number build 12, developed from Aerospatial SA-330 Puma. The Dana Revok is an attack helicopter manufactured by Dana of South Africa. Revok is a African for Red Falcon. The South African Air Force operated on the 12 Dana AH-2 Revok attack helicopter. Although it looks like an entirely new machine, the Revok is based on a degree of reverse engineering of the Aerospatial Puma, using the same engines and main truck. Countdown number 7. AH-1W Super Cobra USA, top speed 282 km per hour, range 574 km, unit cost $10.7 million, wingspan 3.2 meter, weight 5,540 kg, engine type turboshaft, number built 1116. Bell AH-1 is a Super Cobra is a twin-engine attack helicopter based on the United States Army single-engine AH-1 Cobra. The Twin Cobra family itself, part of the large Huey family, includes the AH-1J Sea Cobra, the AH-1B Sea Cobra, and the AH-1W Super Cobra. Countdown number 6. A129 T129 Italy Turkey. Top speed 352 km per hour, range 510 km, unit cost $20 million, wingspan 12.8 meter, weight 4,600 kg, engine type Rolls-Royce Gem, number build 60. The Augusta A129 Mangesta is an attack helicopter originally designed and produced by Italian company Augusta. It was the first attack helicopter to be designed and produced wholly in Western Europe. The TAI Augusta Westland T129 ATAK is a derivative version of A129 and its development is the responsibility of the Turkish Aerospace Industries TAI with Augusta Westland as the primary partners. Countdown number 5. Bell AH-1Z Viper USA, top speed 411 km per hour, range 685 km, unit cost $27 million, wingspan 4.39 meter, weight 5,591 kg, engine type General Electric T700, number build 61. The most advanced attack helicopter Bell AH-1Z is a modern version of AH-1 Cobra. Bell AH-1Z flies with the most advanced aircraft weapon and survivability equipment in the world. It is the only attack helicopter with the fully integrated air-to-air missile capability. The Bell AH-1Z Viper has a 20mm with 750 rounds, 3-barrel cannon and carries medium 114 ABC anti-tank missile, medium 114F anti-ship missile, AIM-929 air-to-air missile, forged with 7mm unoperated rockets, 3 false bombs. Countdown number 4. Eurocopter Tiger. Top speed 290 km per hour, range 800 km, unit cost $31 million, wingspan 13 meter, weight 3060 kg, engine type MTR 390, number built 180. The Eurocopter Tiger is an attack helicopter manufactured by Eurocopter in Germany, France and Spain. It is known as the Tiger. The Tiger is powered by 2 MTU turbomeca Rolls-Royce NTR 390 turboshaft engine. The Eurocopter Tiger is a 4-bladed twin-engine attack helicopter which first entered services in 2003. The successor company to Aerospatiale and Dassault Package Helicopter Division, which designated it as EC665. Countdown number 3. Mi-28H Hawk, Russia. Top speed 299 km per hour. Range 1100 km. Unit cost $50 million. Wingspan 17.20 meter. Weight 7,890 kg. Engine type Kamov TV3-177. Number built 126. The Mo Mi-28 NATO reporting in Hawk is a Russian all-weapon day-night military capability anti-armor attack helicopter. It is a dedicated attack helicopter with no desert capability, better optimized than the Mi-24 for the role, which carries a single gun unit in the west, close external roads, carry door columns, root surface. Countdown number 2. Kamov K-50 K-52 Russia. Top speed 315 km per hour, range 545 km, unit cost $16 million, wingspan 2 into 14.5 meter. Weight 7,700 kg, engine type Kamov TV3-117. Number built KA-5032, KA-52 Thunder Plus. The Kamov KA-50 Black Shark is a single-seat Russian attack helicopter with the distinctive coaxial rotor system of the Kamov design bureau. It was designed in the 1980s and adopted for service in the Russian Army in 1995. It is manufactured by the Progress Company in Arsenev. It is the world's first operational helicopter with rescue ejection system. During the late 1990s, Kamov and Israel Aerospace Industries developed a tandem seat cockpit version of the Kamov KA-52 Erdogan to compete in Turkey's attack helicopter competition. Kamov also designed another two-seat variant, the Kamov KA-52 Alligator. Last but not the least, countdown number 1. AH-64, the Apache Longbow. Top speed 365 km per hour, range 476 km, unit cost AH-64A $20 million, AH-64D $33 million, AH-64E $35.5 million. Wingspan 14.63 meter, weight 5,165 kg, engine type turboshaft, number built 2000. The Boeing AH-64 Apache is an American twin turboshaft attack helicopter with a tailwheel type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a crew of 2. It features a nose-mounted sensor series for target acquisition and night vision system. It is armed with a 30mm 1.18 M230 chain gun carried between the main landing gear under the aircraft's forward fuselage, and four hand points mounted on stub wings, pylons for carrying armament, as close technically a mixture of AGM-114 Hellfire missile and Hydra 70 rocket pods. The AH-64 has significant system redundancy to improve combat survivability. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for knowledge. Thank you so much everyone.